Children, please be quiet.
రెకార్డ్ అవ్వాలి మీ ఫేస్ కూడా రెకార్డ్ అవ్వాలి.
Happy Let us not pledge to follow Gandhiji's teachings and ideas. I am sure you enjoyed today's assembly. I hope you carry the feeling of patriotism from here. Now I request Principal Ma'am to bless us with her kind words.
Good morning, children, once again. Dear parents, respected grandparents, I really feel very blessed myself when I see these children that I got the opportunity to be with them, to find time and come and see how well they are growing up. Each one of them was so confident, so look at their dedication, their commitment at this age, their presence of mind, and they were not conscious at all that they are performing in front of so many children, their teachers, their parents, grandparents. If I recall that our times and your time also, things were not as they are now. Expectations of parents also are very different. But the way these children are growing up, they are so aware, they are so knowledgeable, they are so alert, they are teaching us so many things. The more the questions they ask, the more aware we become, we answer every queries. And look at the teachers, what a great job they are doing, bringing so many of them together, putting them on the stage, and each one performed with such a coordination. Great work. Awesome children, You were looking so good, and your patriotism, you were speaking each word from the heart, and they were really performing from within, and they were really doing what they were doing. The first child, when he spoke the prayer and the thought, so much to learn without a paper, without any help. It's amazing. And every time I come here, my heart is humbled with pride, with so much of joy, and I can't help enjoying every moment. I really, truly love these children, and when I see them growing up from April onwards, when they come from nursery to KG, they are behaving like as if they are in class 2 or 3. Those children also sometimes, without help, cannot perform as these children are performing. Children, well done. You have been a great parents. And Mahatma Gandhi ji, you all know Bapuji, father of the nation. You all recognize him. And this child was looking exactly like Mahatma Gandhi. And so many of the freedom fighters they have shown through their costumes. You would recognize parents make so much of effort of arranging those costumes, and teachers prepare them. This is also part of growing up. Not only the bookish knowledge, but in the coming years, how confident they are, how well they speak is going to matter. Better teachers, Yetna and Namita at the assembly today, each one of them, those who are teaching these children, we have a very strong activity department also. You have seen they were singing. Shoma has been with us. Now Shweta is joined. Where is she? Shweta is joined as a dance teacher, professional, ballet and western and classical, every type of dance she is teaching, and that was seen today. Well done each one of you. I think they understand only this much. They are very young children, but I really look forward to you growing as good human beings with very strong value system and keeping the flag of Lotus Valley flying very high. Children, I bless you on this day. Thank you very much for inviting me every time, and I love it every moment I be here. Thank you, Shani. You are doing a great job. The coordinator Anushi and the whole team, we are amazing teacher, very dedicated committee teacher. Well done each one of you. I bless you all. Thank you parents for joining us. You make a difference for our lives. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite any of the parents who want to come and share their experience over here. Any one of you.
போகலாம்
Thank you, ma'am. The moment I stepped here, it was so nice seeing all these kids in different costumes, and we were really glad to see them over here. And I really want to thank teachers, because we are taking these memories and we have recorded these memories, because when the child grows up, she will be really thankful to each one of you, because that when she will look back, that is how you have shaped them. When I recall my teacher, what I am right today, that is mostly because of my parents and my teachers. So thank you very much, and thank you kids. We love being with you here. Thank you.
For this communication. I congratulate the principal and the parents of the teachers who have trained these children so nicely, and I could enjoy them. Now, I remember my own golden days in 1940. In 1948, I joined an American school where we have been taught at the same level. I wonder right now how it was possible for a lady who came from the Kentucky state and opened a small school at a tiny age. Now when I see there is a very big disparity over those days and these days. Now the children, they don't have any fear. They don't have any fear at all. They can speak anything. They can question us. They are questioning us. The questions cannot be answered at times. We are just wondering at their knowledge at this tiny age. Surya is my grandson who was a Bhagat Singh here, and he has got so much zeal to perform anywhere. And I am proud of him, and I am proud of his school also, which made him like this. I joined him 3 years back, and now he has developed such a confidence. The confidence comes out of the teachers who train. I once again congratulate the teachers for being so good to the children. God bless you all, and may the Lotus Valley come up to higher levels. God bless you all. Mahatma Gandhi ji ki jai. Bolo Mahatma Gandhi ji ki jai. Mahatma Gandhi ji ki jai. Mahatma Gandhi ji ki jai.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your kind words. I would like to invite all the parents for a cup of tea with us with Princess Ma'am and Shalini.